Alright, so what's up? Looks like we're going into another dimension. But anyways, what I was gonna get to, so I've been trying to figure out how to store my filament because I got so many spools of filament and I want to be able to see the colors. So I've been researching. I couldn't find anything that was gonna let me be completely 3D printed. I don't need no like wooden poles or metal poles. I just need my printer and some filament. And looky here, we found it. So fully printable filament storage rack. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. I'm gonna print this thing up. I'm gonna see if I can time lapse it with my P1P. Toss the time lapse. I'm gonna bring it together. We're gonna build it and let's get to it. Again, Quad Squad back at it with another one, 3D printer related. Back into the second dimension. Anyways, right to it. I didn't want to waste your time, so I laid it all out on the printing mat, and we're gonna see if we can print all this, and we're really gonna put that P1P adhesion to the test. All right, let's see if it all can crank it out, come out beautifully, and let's get to it. Print that plate. We go here. We gotta name it. We gotta name it something. And I copy and paste it because I type slower than a snail. So anyways, we got time lapse that shit. My bed leveling, I don't really need it because my bed level has been mint lately. If you want to go check out my other video, I'll leave it up here in the corner for my last video about adhesion with the P1P in any bamboo lab. Anyways, I'll see you on the other end.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Alright, boys and girls, so we're back with all the printed parts. There's more, but I wanted to lay it out so that you can see how the filament holder basically sits. So you've got the end piece, and you got two hexagons which pop in these two parts, and then you've got two more hexagons that go into the legs, and then the legs go into the more two hexagon parts, and then there's a part that connects those two. I'll show you in a minute. And then you got more, and then you got more hexagon. I already popped some in. Then you got more hexagons, and then you got this, and you can go as long as you want. I've got one more section parts over there, and let's get cracking. Okay.
You're missing. Oh, so you don't need this.
No, there's one
On the side.
here on the top. Bam. Box it up. These are the craziest bags ever. So I have my old seal bags which suck balls. Not only are they gonna be easier to close, but they've got a little clip that helps you seal the bag. What? And there is the finished product. Wait, good, watch out. It's such a photogenic dog. Finished product. See you on the next one. Again, thank you for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. Check out one of these videos if you want to. Check out my website. I got a bunch of cool shit for regular everyday people. And I got those sneaker slippers beside me. And those sold on my website. Anyways, hit me up in the comments. Love you guys. Peace.